How to request a PK. First, you need to reach at least level 10 on BGO. Second, when you reach at least level 10, find or ask for the link for the PK request form. Third, click the link and fill up the form. Make sure to request at least 7 days in advance to make sure there is time to look for a match for your PK. Fourth, make sure you can attend the date you requested. Fifth, add a picture to be used on your PK avatar. If you cannot add a picture, send a picture to agency manager or PK assistant. Sixth, once you have submitted the form, you can check your requested PK by clicking on the viewing link. Seventh, if you cannot find from the above list, check below. Eighth, double-check that the date and time you requested are correct. Ninth, if you cannot find it, you can check from the already matched PK. It means you already have a match. Wait for your avatar to be sent to you, or you can ask for your avatar if you haven't received for at least 3 days. 10th, you can also view the encoded PK to check if your PK already encoded on the BGO system.